Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look again in the gold market. So within the couple of sessions we have discussed in details the trading plan, the larger picture that we're waiting for. The target of the 1210, 1215 on the daily chart, large ABCD. And today we continue with our first stage of this trading plan. Is a kind of trap that we expected to be formed around these previous lows, because by our view, by the in general typical for the gold market type of the behavior and habit of the gold market, hardly it will leave untouched these important lows, because here we see that probably a lot of stops have been placed in gold market. It's not the market that just leave behind major stops. They should be washed out. That's why around this area we expect to get some action, some kind of trap. This market could show the breakout here first, grabbing the stops and then starting upward retracement. And the first moment in this trading plan, as we said yesterday, this could become the bearish grabber. And indeed, as you can see, yesterday this grabber has been completed. It means that market should take it out of these lows. Despite the appearing of the bullish engulfing, appearing of the grabber tells that currently it's not a good idea for taking the long position, at least while market keeps well at this grabber pattern, because that pattern could become the one that will trigger the major action down, that will lead gold market to the grabbing the stops below 1230 lows. So we've got this pattern. On the intraday charts, guys, on the 4 time frame chart, one of the patterns that could be formed here that could let market to complete both targets of this ABCD pattern. So it stands on the slope of the second top on the daily chart. So this is our double top pattern, it's minor double top, and this ABCD stands on the slope of how market's moving down to the target. And this ABCD has not been completed yet. As minor ABCD starting from that point hasn't quite reached the target, as major ABCD right from the top also has not been completed yet. And one of the patterns that could be formed here, this could become the butterfly. It very often happens. So when the market has some important target slightly below recent lows, this butterfly is most successful feature that could lead to complete market both targets. So showing the 1618 extension of this leg will complete both targets. As minor as 1236, because 127 extension stands 1232, as large as 1226, because here 1618 stands 1224 approximately. Besides, later this butterfly could become the part of the hand shoulders pattern that could trigger the upward retracement. This also happens very often. This is a bit far going story, but right now we're just keep watching what will happen here. Now, as you can see, downward action has started. Recently, we talked about the possible head and shoulders pattern here. Or better to say, we have two different hand shoulders. First of all, the hand shoulders on the top that could trigger downward reversal, and indeed, as you can see, market right now is forming it. So our suggestion here was correct. Indeed, a kind of the hand shoulders is forming here. Neckline, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, market is showing downward action. Taking into consideration this ABC top pattern, 1618 extension is the ultimate target of these hand and shoulders, stands in agreement with the 1246 fib support. We said that minimum retracement will be the 1245, because this is 618 support, and market probably should show it, because this first upside reversal swing, guys, bullish reversal swing can break out of this channel. But take a look, the market stands for a long time in a downward trend, so bearish momentum is still rather strong. That's why usually on the first reversal swing market shows deep retracement, and the first target that we'll be watching for will stand 1246, 1245. This major 6-1 is support market should reach. And that will be my moment of truth, because here, guys, you also could recognize another head and shoulders, so it's become left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right at this bottom. Following to our trading plan, it suggests that here market should fail. So I mean, it could hit it, starting upward direction, but fail later and starting dropping, because we have daily engulfing, daily stop grabber that suggests the taking out of these lows. And also we are talking about the possible butterfly. And this butterfly, I will just increase the scale, you will see it better. Just a moment. And this butterfly also suggests moving somewhere to 1245. It's completion of this bottom of the right arm of this head and shoulders. Market could starting upward direction, starting with the right wing of this butterfly, but later market should fail and continue move lower. That's what suggests our trading plan, what suggests bearish grabber that we have on the daily. So as you can see, very tricky, a bit sophisticated situation, but it's really interesting. So how to combine different patterns, how to create the trading plan, and an overall view on the short-term perspective in a few sessions. So that being said, today we are watching for downward continuation and completion of this target. Maybe today, tomorrow, maybe it will be a bit longer. Then we are waiting for the bounce and watching for possible failure of these head and shoulders. As soon as we will get the clear signs of the weakness, we are increasing our time frame and watching for this butterfly and how the daily bearish grabber will work. So that's what we will monitor on the gold market within the few sessions, maybe even on the next weeks as well. So let's see how situation will turn.